Today I decided to do a fridge clean out. First I take everything out of the door. As I take everything out, I try to organize it by category. I do this type of clean out about twice a month. So next I take a microfiber cloth and wipe everything down after spraying it with a Lysol disinfecting spray. Then I proceed on to the shelves in the fridge. I take everything out, and as I'm going through it, I make sure nothing has expired or has gone bad, and if it has, I throw it away or put it in a separate pile to throw away later. As you can see, I have these cloth liners inside the fridge. I really like them and they're really easy to wash, but right now our dryer is broken, so I wasn't able to wash them before putting everything back in. I decided that next time I do the fridge organization, I'll just add them back in. After I take everything out of the shelves on the right side of the fridge, I make sure everything is wiped down with the same Lysol spray. Occasionally, I like to move around the shelves to put different levels in different places based off of what we have that week. It's kind of hard to clean the left side of the fridge because the door doesn't open all the way because we have our laundry room right there. After I clean everything out, I try to put everything back in according to the categories that they belong to. For instance, I put drinks at the bottom. I did have to raise the shelf up one to fit some of the taller drinks, but it ended up fitting really well. After that, I add in the sauces. Usually it takes me a couple times to move things around in order for them to fit properly. After adding the sauces, I add the milks and then also some of the juices that we have. Then the syrups, and then the rest of the condiments at the bottom. Next, it's just kind of trial and error to fit everything else where it belongs. On the bottom right, I put all the cheeses. Bottom left, I put the fresh produce, and then the top left drawer, I put all the meats. I love this egg container because you can also put a lid on it and stack it. Last, I put all of the chips and crackers into containers to keep them fresh longer. This is the end result of the fridge organization.